report is about Thailand. The law enforcement in Thailand is primarily the Royal Thai Police. The Royal Thai Police first came into existence in the year 1455. The primary responsibility is for the maintenance of public order to enforcement of the kingdom law is exercised by the Royal Thai Police. The present structure of RTP is governed by a royal decree on the division of the Royal Thai Police, created in 2009. Administrative units are mainly responsible for the administrative and staff matters. Sir, the classifications and ranks and insignia. From the commission, officers are highest is Police General and to the Police Sub-Lieutenant, and for non-commissioned officers are Police Senior Sergeant Major to Police Principal. The currency of Thailand is compared to the Philippines 1 HB equals to